Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the best interior door design, door trim ideas and window design, window trim ideas, casing and modeling designs. So stay with us. A home's entryway makes a crucial first impression, and the ways in which we choose to ascend it can make all the difference between an unforgettable welcoming and altogether dismal salutation. But what about what lies beyond the threshold, the other side of the real and proverbial door? What stands between the stately enclave and regrettably forgettable door? Interior door trimming all about gives a note to the sentiments of our ancestors, who for thousands of years took great plans to craft the most ornately appealing doors, inside and out. From intricate casings to grandiose wood and inlaid paneling, as well as turn-of-the-century inspired jambs featuring elegant scrollwork and cast-iron resilience. The spectrum of interior door trimming options proves that the domestic devil is indeed in the details. Stepping over the threshold into one's home is an experience worth savoring, with no detail or ascent too trivial to afford a second look. You and your guests deserve to pass through your home's entryway in pleasure and style, day after day and year after year. Decadent casings may not seem like home-altering upgrades, but time has proven many an interior novice wrong. If you are looking to apply subtle, budget-conscious improvements to your deserving space, look no further than the very doors you pass through year-round with these top best interior door trim and window trim ideas.